I wish that you were able to smell this bread. I just took it out of the oven and it smells amazing. Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm making spelt flour bread. It's an easy recipe, doesn't request a lot of time to prepare, and there's nothing better than fresh homemade bread. So if you're interested how to make this, please continue watching and have a great day. So now it's been 10 minutes since I took it out of the oven. The form is not too hot and the bread just comes out beautifully. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you try this. Let me know if you do. Have a nice day.